Here's a quick video to show you how to replace a battery in your Audi key fob. These might look similar, but this is the European version and this is the United States version. And it's two different processes, and I'm going to show you how to do both. For either of these, you're going to need a replacement battery. They both take a 2032, and you can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. I'll take it straight there. Sometimes a little small flat tip screwdriver can be helpful, but it is not necessary. So on the European, there are tabs right here, and on the American there's a tab right here in the center. So I'm going to show you, you can use the key on both of these, but you just want to stick this right about here and just kind of pry up like that. You can kind of see there's a little separation that got created there. Stick in your little screwdriver, and that you can see it goes in on either of those sides. On the United States one, same deal, except you want to go at an angle like this, and that'll pop up the back hatch right there. You can either use your fingernail or screwdriver, and you can see how these two are different. For both of these, you can just go ahead and replace the battery by flicking that out. On both of these, the battery is going to go positive side facing outward. For the United States one, clip it in like that. And for the European, same deal like that. Put your key back in, and you're all set. For both of these fobs, there is no need to reprogram. Hope that video was helpful. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button.